You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this virus. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. There are more videos commonly referred to as the EBV, the Esptein Barr virus, named after two British scientists. Esptein, not Epstein. If he had it been German, it would be Esptein, but he was British. Esptein Barr virus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.